Okay, so I wanted to talk about the big beautiful bill and why it is terrible for people that are trying to go into medical and dental school. And I made a few videos, but I got a lot of comments saying like be quiet and school shouldn't be free and like you should have to pay for school. And that's not really what this bill does, at least for what I'm talking about specifically. So when you pay for school for something so expensive like dental or med school, you have grad loans and you have grad plus loans. This bill is taking away grad plus loans. Grad plus loans basically bridge the gap between how much your loans give you and how much the school costs, and then grad plus pays the difference. If you don't have parents that can pay for it, use the grad plus loans, but they're more interest, so you're actually spending more money if you're doing grad plus loans, but it is the only option. And yes, I know that schools are expensive, and a lot of people are saying, why don't we just make the schools not be so expensive? But the government has allowed these schools to keep increasing their prices, and so inherently the loans have gone up. And I find it odd with that reasoning, like, oh, school shouldn't be so expensive. And it's like, okay, well then why don't we tackle that first instead of taking away loan opportunities and basically just opportunities in general for people from middle class and lower class families trying to be doctors. I agree with you, school should be so much cheaper, but I just don't understand the narrative of like, well, then the schools will have to come down. And it's like, well, how long will that take? And will it actually happen? And will students that want to be doctors for 10 plus years just not be able to, and then it will be fixed? I don't know. Coming from where I grew up to where I am now, if this was me, I would be devastated if I wasn't able to go and accomplish these things that I've been working my whole life towards. And just because I'm an orthodontist now, I'm not going to stay silent to try to, because it doesn't affect me, because it doesn't technically affect me. It does affect how I pay my loans moving forward in the next year. But I'm not complaining about that. I'm complaining about people coming after me that I want to have a good experience. And taking away these loans is detrimental to people that are trying to better themselves and, become a doctor and show their family they can do this and take their family with them to wherever they want to go. And just because I'm a doctor now doesn't mean I would ever turn a blind eye on the people that are still trying to do that. Yes, I agree school should be less expensive, but why is that not in the bill? Or at the state level, why is that not being fixed? Why are we taking away opportunities for people that can't do anything about it?